Robert Bresson's A Man Escaped, un condamné à mort s'est échappé, illustrates how a variety of sound techniques can function throughout an entire film. The story takes place in France in 1943. Fontaine, a resistance fighter arrested by a boy named Jost, is put into his cell. Deciding to trust that Jost is not a spy, Fontaine reveals his plan to him, and they are both able to escape. Finally, Fontaine himself must extend trust to his new cellmate, Jost, by taking him along in spite of suspicions that he may be a spy planted by the Germans. We must strain to understand the action from what we can glimpse and hear. We judge the pair's progress from the church bells heard tolling the hour. We've discussed how a film. One set of auditory motifs emphasizes the space outside Fontaine's cell. We see a streetcar in the opening scene, and the bell and motor of the streetcar are heard off-screen every time Fontaine speaks to someone through his cell window. The noises remind us of his goal of reaching the streets beyond the walls. Fontaine meets the other men, wins their support, and finally plans to share his escape. The music reappears whenever Fontaine makes contact with another prisoner, Blanchet, Orsini, who will effect his escape.